Welcome back to Whitey's Speed Shop, home of the only speed shop without an actual shop. Today, part 1 of restoring my 1984 Kawasaki GPZ 900, the Top Gun bike. I'm going to start by draining out this nasty gas that smells like a 3-week-old bean burrito and stale beer, and go from there. Yeah. Oh yeah, that looks not good. The Kawasaki GPZ 900R was developed in secret over the course of 6 years. It's the world's first 16-valve liquid-cooled inline 4-cylinder motorcycle, and it was the first stock production bike to go above 150 miles per hour. It was made famous through the film Top Gun, quickly cementing it into the pop culture history. Not only that, it won first and second place in the Isle of Man race just months after it was released to the public. It was also the first bike to ever bear the name of Ninja. So as you can tell, this bike has accomplished more than most would ever realize, and on top of that, made history in more ways than one. This bike is quintessentially what started the modern day sport bike. It's the blueprint on which every manufacturer has been following and chasing since 1984. Now let's hope I actually have everything disconnected. It's on there. Ta-da! I've personally owned this motorcycle since the start of 2018. I was barely 19 years old when I bought it, and I've been trying to restore it ever since. These bikes are notorious for starter clutch failure, and sadly this one was a victim of it. Unfortunately, that means removing all the fairings, the engine, splitting the case, removing the gearbox, so as you can tell, I was definitely in over my head. Despite the odds and with the help of a good friend, we got it torn down, replaced, and put back together again. Then a few years later, it got left outside for 2 to 3 weeks without me knowing, and water entered the cylinders. So now it's back apart for the second time, and this time I'm hoping to fully restore it and bring it back to its former glory. I'm ashamed it's gotten this bad, but there's no use in crying over spilled milk any longer, and hopefully this newfound passion will follow through all the way to the finish line. I hope you guys enjoy the journey, and God bless you and yours. Thanks for watching and listening.